Let's see how you can easily add conversation starters on your Facebook page so that the people who try to send a message to you can easily tap on few buttons over there and initiate conversation easily and ask what they want as well. For example, here this is a demo Facebook page right here. So if I click on message here, it just shows only the get started button right here. But if you have actually set up the conversation starters, those buttons will show up right here, and from there they can actually initiate conversation or go to different site of offers or any sort of paths as well. So let me show how to activate this one for your Facebook page. So here I'm in a demo icon. First of all, you need to connect your Facebook page right here. For that, you can simply click on channels option over here. It will take you directly to settings channels. From here you can choose Facebook Messenger and simply connect your Facebook page. So once it is done, you will see all these options right here, including the conversation starters over here. So conversation starters provide a way for users to start conversation with your business with a list of frequently asked questions, or you can actually set up different options as well. So here, this is the place where you can actually set up the conversation starters. For that, let me use few flows over here. So go to the flows section and let me use few flows from the free templates as well. For example, let me use the create your first chatbot flow template right here. So let me rename this one and copy this one over here. All right, and now go back to the conversation starters, click on edit, and let me say create your first chatbot flow. And here you have the option to add any sort of emojis as well. For example, let me add some emojis as well, just to show you how this looks like. So here let me choose this emoji right here just for the demo. All right, and here you have to select the flow. So here let me say create your first chatbot flow. All right, so this one conversation starters I have just added, and let me go back to the free template once again and let me add other conversation starters as well. For example, Black Friday holiday promotions. So let me add this one as the conversation starters as well. So let me rename this one, and let me copy this one, add this right here. And if you want to add any sort of emojis, you can do that as well. So let me say celebrate. So let me copy this emoji and simply add it right here. All right, and let me say Black Friday holiday promotion template. All right, this is also another conversation starter right here. And let's see if you want to add one more as well. So let's make sure this are published as well, and let me go back to this option over here, and let's see what we have right here. So for example, promote Facebook or school group. So here let me rename this one, or let me say join Facebook group or something like that. So here let me say join Facebook group. All right, and here let me search for that specific template, promote Facebook or school group template. All right, and here if you want, you can again add any sort of emojis as well. So let me add this rocket emoji right there. All right, so here I have added 3 conversation starters. First one is create your first chatbot flow with a specific flow, Black Friday promotions, join Facebook group. Likewise, you can actually create any sort of flows and add those conversation starters as you like, and click save over here. All right, it has been saved right now. All right, it has been saved, and here it shows the option edit or delete conversation starters. So now let me go back to the Facebook page. Let me refresh the Facebook page first and click on message option. In demo chat media message option, here you see these 3 conversation starters we set up right here. So they can go to the create your first chatbot flow, Black Friday promotions, or join the Facebook group. So instead of they sending a message right here, they can simply tap on one of these options and simply get access to any sort of offers, or they can join the Facebook group, etc. For example, let me tap on join Facebook group, and that should actually trigger the flow right there and simply send us specific messages. So hi there, are you ready to take your questions? So this message we will get in the messenger right here. So here it is the exact message. So if I tap on yes, it will simply go to the next step, ask for their email, and then simply provide the option to join the specific community. So here Let me provide some random email address over here, and then it will take them to the next step where they can receive the link to join the community right there. And here it will also send them email as well right there, and also again send the follow-up message in 1 hour asking whether they joined or not, and from there send messages accordingly as well. So in this case it shows the join the community right there and also send the email as well. So here these conversation starters shows only first time when they message your page right there. So that's the important thing. So here when they message for the first time, I choose this join Facebook group and it simply send me these sort of messages. So now, so likewise if they have choose other conversation starters, it will go to the different flows right there. And here you can actually track the conversation through the unified inbox. So let me go to the inbox. So here from the Facebook Messenger, here you can see the conversation happened right there, simple as that. And from there also agent can easily send any sort of messages as well. And that's a quick video on how you can easily set up conversation starters on Facebook. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.